What's up, CookCleanAndRepeat family?
Oh my god, that's embarrassing. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jen. If you're new here, welcome. So today is Monday. I asked in my last vlog if you guys wanted me to do like a weekly vlog. So this could be the beginning of that, or this just might be a daily vlog for today. So like I said, it's Monday. I've already gotten up this morning, had coffee, did all of that. It's actually almost lunchtime now. I put a roast in the crock pot, so I'm gonna take you guys back in time first, show you all of that. And I also did some meal planning this morning based on what was in my pantry, in my fridge, and my freezer. So like I said, we're gonna go back, I'll show you all that, and then I'll meet you guys back here. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and start our supper for tonight. And this is basically just a version of the Mississippi roast. I've made it thousands of times, and I'm sure you guys have heard of it thousands of times already on YouTube before. But anyway, I picked up a chuck roast the other day from Walmart. It looked pretty good. And usually you use a packet of the au jus gravy mix, and then ranch seasoning mix, butter, and peppercini peppers. But I don't have any pepperoncinis. Usually I keep them on hand, but we're just out. But I do have some of the little mini bell peppers that need to be used up. So I thought that would be okay. I'm just going to kind of slice those up and put those on top, just like I normally do with the peppercini peppers. So I'm going to go ahead and get this into my crock pot. Just let it cook all day on low. And I'll either make some mashed potatoes or rice and veggies, something like that later to go along with it. So this will be our dinner for today. And while that's cooking, I'll be able to do laundry and catch up on stuff from this weekend and everything like that. So let's go ahead and get our supper working. Okay, so while that is in the crock pot, I'm sitting here working on my meal plan for the rest of the week. And so this week, you know, Christmas is in what, 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks, something like that. Anyway, I'm trying to cut back on spending for groceries. We have a lot of stuff in the house, so I'm trying to do like pantry cooking, freezer cooking this week for our dinners. So, like I said, I had already bought the roast though, so we'll do that with rice and veggies tonight. And then tomorrow, I think I'm just going to do spaghetti. I don't even have any ground beef, I don't think. So, we're just going to do the sauce and the noodles. Y'all have to let me know if you ever done that. We're trying to cut back a little bit, but I think, I know I do have some of the Sister Schubert frozen rolls, the yeast rolls, so that would be good with spaghetti. And then I might just pick up some lettuce and do a salad just for, you know, a veggie with that. And then for Wednesday night, of course, I always have dried pintos, and I do already have some country ham in the fridge, so that will be an easy, good meal to use up what we already have. Thursday night we are going out. That's for a family member's birthday, so that's kind of one little exception this week. And now I'm trying to figure out the rest of the week. So let's look in my very messy pantry and the freezers. Let's see what we can come up with for those 3 days. Okay, this freezer in here kind of looks messy, but it's not too bad. We bought a bunch of smoothie stuff the other day. The kids wanted to do some smoothies, so I bought that kind of stuff. Of course, I have Japanese blend. This is broccoli, green beans, red peppers, and mushrooms. So that gives me an idea for maybe stir fry. I do have some of these chicken breasts down here also. They are open. Hopefully they're still good. I got them from Sam's. It's a big old bag. Mesquite grilled chicken fillets. So I could technically probably put that with those, you know, veggies. Do that. Let's see. Also, we have some sweet Italian chicken sausage. I could even do that in a pasta dish. So we'll have to keep that in mind. Let's see. I might just start pulling some stuff out so I can remember everything. let's go ahead and put it up here on the counter. There's Hayden's little Thanksgiving hat she made. Let's just set some stuff out so we can see what all we have going on in here. Chicken. Also, I have this big bag of bacon pineapple chicken sausage that I haven't even used yet. Oh wait, I do have a thing of ground beef in here. See? You never know what you might find. And it's frozen. It's the organic grass-fed kind that I like, so that's perfect. I might actually go ahead and lay that out, because even if I don't do that with spaghetti, that could easily be another night, like tacos or something like that. So we might keep with the meatless spaghetti. We'll sit that out. Let's just see. Got plenty of stuff in here to eat. Also have some pink salmon back there. Hayden's not really a huge, hold on. So McKenna likes salmon. Hayden's not crazy about it, but I do have this in here. We need that. I kind of want to do something with the bacon chicken sausage though. Because I bought this, I think, back over summer, and I just haven't done anything with it. I could do a sheet pan meal. Let's see, what else? I don't know. Let's see if it has any ideas or anything on here. Not really. It just says it's fully cooked, so you just have to heat them up. But I wish we would have, you know, separated them before we froze them. But oh well, it'll be all right. I'll figure out something. So maybe we can do that. Let's see. More salmon. These are both cookies that were from a fundraiser, so that can be for dessert. More smoothie stuff, ice cream, lots and lots of smoothie stuff in here. And then I also picked up this. I forgot about that. That would be something we could put with something. It is quinoa and kale. We got that from Publix, and you just steam it in a bag. Thought that looked interesting. It says it has olive oil, garlic, and sea salt, and I've never seen that before. So I thought we would try that. I actually got it for my lunches, but that can easily be a side if I wanted to. So I think what I'm going to do now, I'm going to look in the pantry, and then I'm just going to write down meals that I could do, and we'll go from there. Also back in here, I have some frozen corn. I have rice cauliflower. I could do something with that. Sorry, my freezer keeps beeping. I have a little bit of fried or breaded okra back there. That's what I do my fried okra usually with. And then I have the California blend veggies as well, but that's probably what I'll put with the roast tonight. So I have plenty of options. Just got to get a little bit creative. Let's take a look in the pantry. Okay, I don't know if y'all can tell, but unfortunately, this chicken looks pretty freezer burn to me. And I hate that. Look how much is in there. Oh my gosh, I hate throwing away something like that, but you know, who's gonna eat freezer burnt chicken like that? So, I guess I just need to go ahead and get that out of the freezer. That sucks, but let's see what else we can do. Alright y'all, so I think I got a pretty good plan for this week. So, like I said, tonight we're doing the roast, then spaghetti, rolls, salad, pintos Wednesday, Thursday out. So Friday, I went ahead and just put tacos / nachos. I am going to use that ground beef. And we have about 3 bags of tortilla chips in there. I just went ahead and bought them because I knew we'd be using them this time of year. So that will be perfect for it. We can make like taco salad or nachos, whatever we want. But I know I have that ground beef, so that'll be perfect for that. And I decided we would do that on Friday night because we actually have the girls' like Christmas dance recital that night, so that'll be something good that I just thought we'd want to have on a Friday night, something quick we can eat before or after we go to that. And then Saturday, I also forgot that we have another Christmas party that day, and my friend asked, you know, everybody could bring like your favorite holiday appetizer or whatever dish. So I'm probably gonna make that sausage dip I just made last weekend, or maybe even those meatballs, because that was just really easy and something to throw together quickly, and pretty much everybody likes that kind of stuff. So I'm gonna do that for Saturday, and then Sunday I put Japanese stir fry. So when I was looking in my pantry, I found this Caribbean style jerk marinade. We've had it a while. We bought it, I think we were on vacation and we just never used it, but I thought that sounded really good to put with that bacon pineapple chicken sausage and then the Japanese blend veggies. So what I'll probably do is just thaw these out, or actually I might even, I don't know if I could cut them without, you know, without the rest of them being open, but I might try to do that. Anyway, I might just put it in a pan with the Japanese blend veggies and just a little bit of the marinade, just to give it like some flavor. Or I could even do it on a sheet pan, just drizzle a little bit of that marinade over it. We will see, but I thought that all sounded really good together, and that's something different. I can also do some rice or even the quinoa with it. We will see. I have a little bag of Uncle Ben's basmati rice I could just throw in the microwave. There we go, another easy meal. So also, I was just kind of sitting some things out. I just set the grits out to remind myself I could do breakfast. We always have eggs in there. I can make some homemade pancakes, so we can always do that. I didn't use up the chicken sausage this week. Of course, I could go ahead and take this into next week. And then I set out my spaghetti sauce I already had. I have plenty of pasta in there, so I can always do that. Also had this little side of angel hair and herbs. The kids like that, so if they want that one night with something, we have that. Also a few broccoli florets. I could make broccoli rice casserole if I wanted to, something like that. So we have plenty of stuff. Just gotta use your imagination, but I think that looks like a pretty good meal plan for not even going to the grocery store at all. Now I will have to go probably today or tomorrow, probably today, and get a few fruits. That's the only thing I really don't have. It's fresh fruit, and I need to get a loaf of bread for the kids' sandwiches. I'm actually gonna go to Subway and bring them something at school today because I totally forgot to pick up a loaf of bread yesterday. So anyway, just need to pick up lunch stuff, some fruits, and we should be good to go. Okay, so I just had to show y'all, look at this. They were made to where you can tear them in half into little 4 sections. So how perfect is that? That made me so happy. It's the little things, y'all. So I'm just gonna take out one, let those thaw out in the fridge, and then I'll have 4 more meals basically in the freezer for later. Okay, so it feels so good to have all that done. It feels so good to have not had to go to the grocery store for a whole ton of stuff this week. I am about to go here in just a little bit to get, like I said, some fruits and sandwich stuff, lunch stuff, stuff like that, like I said. But right now I am taking the girls lunch at school. Since we didn't have a bunch of lunch stuff, I didn't have a chance to go yesterday. And also, basically, long story short, the girls' school has a thing where you order their food if you want them to have anything other than, like, you know, brought from home lunch. They get lunches from different places, but you have to order them ahead of time. Well, you have to do it, you know, by a certain amount of time, obviously by a certain date, and I totally forgot to do it for the month of December. Thankfully, the month of December is short, but when I do that, I like to just bring them something or kind of send them something special, you know, once a week, which is all I order the food for anyway, just to change it up, because, you know, you get tired of eating sandwiches and peanut butter and jelly and whatever. So, with all that said, I just left Subway. I got them, I just said tired of sandwiches, but y'all know what I'm saying. Like, a Subway sandwich is different than, you know, a PB&J from home. So I got them some lunch. I'm just gonna take it by their school, and I got me something. I'm not really that hungry right now, but I'm sure I'll be hungry once I get home and doing whatever I'm doing. So I'm gonna take that up to their school really quick, and then I think I'm gonna run to my P.O. box. I got a Christmas card from one of you guys. I don't have it in my car now, but thank you so much, you know, if you sent one. That's always so much fun to get cards from you guys. And normally I don't keep my P.O. box in my description box anymore. I just don't. But I will put it down there if you guys want to send a card. I hate, like, you know, asking for you to send them. That's not what I'm doing. But if you want to, I know some people have asked, I'll go ahead and put my P.O. box down there. It's always so much fun. The girls love getting them. You know, it's fun to hear from you guys. So I'm gonna go check on that, and then I think I'm gonna go by Aldi today and just get like some little snacky things, lunch things. I always love to see what they have, and I hadn't been there in a few weeks. So let's go do all of that. Let's run to the kids' school and then run a couple errands and go home, and I really need to fold loads of laundry. So that's the plan. All right, I just got back home, thought I would check on the roast, actually smelling and looking really, really good. It smells just like when I usually do it with the Mississippi roast. Since I use the little bell peppers instead, I bet it's still gonna be delicious. Sorry about the weird angle. I just sit down at my desk to edit this video to get it up for you guys. So anyway, I know I did not end it when I was filming all of my meals the other day and things like that. So I just wanted to end this video. But I'm also going to pick the camera right back up, and we're actually going to my parents tonight. It's my stepdad's birthday, and my mom is just making like some tacos, and she has some cupcakes. We're just going over there to kind of celebrate him a little bit. So I thought I would pick the camera back up and video all of our Christmas decor that we've been working on. I think it turned out really cute, and I think y'all will enjoy it. Darren is calling me. Let's see what he wants. Hello? Hello?
Hey, beautiful.
Hello.
What you doing?
I am recording an outro on a video, and I have you on speakerphone, so say hey to everybody.
Oh. What's up, CookCleanAndRepeat family?
Oh my god, that's embarrassing. Alright. Love you, bye. Anyway, like I was saying, we're going over there when Darren gets home just to eat some supper, and I'll video her Christmas decor so I can show you guys. So that'll be another video coming out. Let's see if I get this one out tomorrow. Tomorrow's Friday. I don't know. It'll be Saturday or Sunday when I get this one up. I'll try to do it, you know, pretty quick. But I just wanted to say bye. My camera's going dead, so I need to charge it really quick. But last night was my little mental venting session, I don't know, on Instagram. I know some of y'all don't have Instagram, but I've also been really open and honest with you guys about my anxiety and depression and my back pain and how that's, you know, dealing with my, or pulling into my depression, anxiety, whatever. So anyway, I was just experiencing that, and I just wanted to tell you guys who reached out over there on Instagram last night, thank you so much. You guys seriously are the sweetest. Y'all are like family to me and to us, and I'm just so thankful to have y'all as our friends. So many of y'all shared, you know, that you deal with the same stuff and things like that, and things that have helped you, and just gave me a lot of encouragement, and, you know, just kind of helped me remember the fact that none of us are perfect, even on social media. Not that I'm really trying to be, but you know, that can kind of get in our heads. Even if you don't have a channel or anything like that, I think seeing all these perfect mamas and wives and whatever on social media, it gets in our heads a little bit. And we just have to remember there was only one perfect person, and that was Jesus Christ, and especially in this season. And I was thinking about it, and even he didn't have the perfect life, if you think about it, you know what I mean? So we just have to remind ourselves of that and do the best we can. But I mainly just wanted to thank everyone who reached out and know that I'm so grateful for y'all. So anyway, I'm gonna wrap up this vlog. I'm gonna get it edited, and then we'll start again with my mama's Christmas decor, and there might be some other things in there as well. I might just vlog tomorrow, so we'll see. But anyway, I love you guys. I hope you're all doing well, and I'll see y'all shortly in the next one. Bye, y'all.